All right, so here we have a store Instagram page called Zeus Motorcycle Gear. 6,000 followers, 624 following. That's decent, but let me show you what really excites me. Check out this engagement: 155 likes, 221, 170, 163, 91. This just keeps on going down and down. They're getting great engagement for everything. Look, almost 400 likes. What's so great about this is their like to follower ratio is insanely good. Let me give you an example. Apple released an advertisement for their new iPhone XR or XS. I'm not sure which one it was, but I calculated how many likes they got per follower. It was 1 like per 300 followers. This one right here that has 155 likes, if you multiply that by 300, you get 46,500 people. So they should only be getting this amount of likes if they have 46,500 people, but they're getting it for only having 6,000. So they're doing extremely well. Now, let me take you to their site. Unfortunately, we can't inspect this one as it's not a Shopify store, but based on the insanely good engagement they're getting and also the quality of their site, like, look at how clean this is. Look at their slideshow. Everything looks great. So you can be rest assured that this site's doing well. Look here, descriptions, everything. So I would for sure study the site, find products for it, look at what they're doing well, and improve on what they're not doing well. Like this, they only have 200 reviews. Their currency is in something weird. I'm not sure what currency that is. So there's things that you can really improve upon, as well as learn from what they're doing better than you right now. Another thing is they don't have a safe, secure checkout badge. So yeah, it's things like this that you really want to inspect because it can take your store to the next level.